Alright, so I'm changing the rear end fluid here. Putting two of these in, the Valvoline 80 weight 90. This is the old stuff. I see myself perfectly in that. So it all drain into a funnel with a filter on it. All the crap out of it, maybe. I'm out here right now. But I actually dropped the drain plug into that right there. It was filled up all that way, and I had to go and reach and get it out real quick. And it's horrible, horrible. Then I went to hockey, and it stunk the whole time, my hand. It's one of the worst things ever. So, like this light, because you can move it all around and stuff. This is all adjustable. So, got the toolbox off. Look at that jade mist right there. Actually, the camera does not show its true quality. I'm looking at it through the camera. I took it off so I could put a wire on it. This is nice right here. Believe it or not, I found my color really close to it at Napa Auto Parts. I mean, Pep Boys, sorry, Pep Boys. And maybe you can see a little bit better right there. A little bit of dirt on it, that's about it. But I found a color very close to it at Pep Boys. So I might go with that if I'm going to paint it. That's nice too right there. So, but that's pretty much it. Tire off, and so yeah, the seat. I gotta start sanding that down. Might get it sandblasted probably, but so. Anyways, till next time.